Well, greetings from the Wilcox KOA in Wilcox, Arizona. That's my rig sitting there. We just arrived about half an hour or so ago. I got the hookups going, got the slides out. I'll give you a tour inside in just a moment. Not a lot of folks here. School has started. School's back in. Everybody's staying home. That's a KOA office over there, and there goes a piece of something blowing across the way. And over here, if I zoom in a little bit, and right through here, that building to the left is the KOA Cafe, right around there by that little golf cart. You go over there, they have a cafe, which is really nice. 7 a.m. to 7 p.m., breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And they got good food, which is one of the reasons I stop here each time I'm leaving Arizona. So I'll be back here along around the 17th or 18th or 19th as I go east to my brother's. This is a shakedown cruise to test the bike, to test the rig. It's been sitting for a year, being only started every now and then just to keep the fluids running, warmed up, generator tested, air conditioning tested. So I keep it warm, but I haven't driven it really other than to get gas in a year. So there it is. It's a nice 30-foot Fleetwood Pounder. It's a real nice coach, and I'm having a lot of fun with it. So, I'll take you inside and give you a tour. Nice area out there where you can take the dogs and let them run, poop, clean up, play ball. It's a nice KOA. All right, we're in the inside the coach now, and there's Stumpy. He's never been in a coach before, never traveled. Found out that he likes his bed up in the passenger seat, and he turned out to be okay. So he might be a good traveling dog. Yeah. That's this cockpit. Looking out. And looking back here, the slide out is out. I put his little doggy blanket up on the couch to see if he would be interested in that. He's not. He doesn't want to do that. Kitchen area, dining area, got my stuff laid out. I'm going to do some figuring and get mileage and time and stuff like that. Statistics, to get a feel for what's happening as I travel. How many miles per gallon, stuff like that. Got a nice refrigerator. It works on both electricity and propane. So if you're traveling without the generator on, it stays cold on the propane. Otherwise, if you have the generator on, which I always do, it just operates on electricity. And looking forward, it's a nice coach, not bad. Over here we have the bathroom sink over here. Lots of drawer space. And here is the toilet and the shower. So that's kind of nice. It's a nice shower. It really is. Plenty of room. Ceramic toilet with a soft closed top. Ha 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 ha. Posh, posh, posh. And back here is the bedroom. It's a queen bed. I've got new linen for it. I'll make it after a while. And big closets, two of them. I put the lights in. And a bunch of clothes, because I'm starting to load this thing for the trip to North Carolina. And cabinets underneath, and a chest of drawers built in. I put this power strip up here so that I have the charger for the phone and my watch. Here's your DVD player, TV that swings out and turns towards the bed, and I'll have to set that clock. So that's pretty much the whole rig, and I'm settling down. Oh yeah, it has automatic levelers, and this is the little guy down here that tells you whether or not you're level. And I got 4 greens, and that means I'm level. So that's what it's like inside the rig. So far the trip has been good, and if it continues to be good, I'll be all ready to leave along around the 17th or 18th and head east to go to my brother Greg's for our all guys ride the North Carolina mountain roads. So that's what's happening. Well, surprise, a surprise. Stumpy, also known as Spunky, does like his blanket up on the couch. Well, we'll see how well that goes.